What's up, everyone? This is Bill with BLR Tuning. Today's watch. This is a Invicta. There we go. C3PO. You see how that looks? Got the gold C3PO head in there. All kinds of little yellow gold accents with a rubber gray band and a little gold clasp there. Really nice little watch. Collector's Star Wars edition watch. Pretty cool little lightweight watch by Invicta. Today we have a new product that we're releasing for the Kawasaki Zh2 and Zh2 SE models. So this will fit all Kawasaki Zh2 models. Okay, so this is the rear peg block off plates or rear peg delete plates. There'll be a link in the description below. You'll see these on our website, BLRTUNING.TECH. Okay, they come in multiple different colors. So this is all the different color choices, and then we have the different text choices out here. You will be able to grab these as a set of two. Now on so you'll be getting rid of your stock factory pegs. We will show you install here. We'll keep this kind of a short video, but on something like a Brock's Performance exhaust, you'll see that's what we have on the bike, on our shop bike Athena. And that Brock's Performance exhaust, this is normally where your hanger is for your exhaust, but on that Brock's Performance exhaust, the hanger is off the heel guard. So, and then you would be able to fit these with some of the aftermarket exhaust hangers out there as well. So if you have an aftermarket exhaust and you want to get rid of that rear peg, or even if you have the stock exhaust and you want to get rid of that rear peg, you can do like an aftermarket exhaust hanger that has this setup that comes down here for your exhaust hanger. And then you could put one of these under it or over the top of it. So like this. Okay, if the hanger you have is a thinner metal or a thinner carbon or whatever. So there's multiple ways that you can use these on that exhaust side. But in order to fit one on that side, you would not be able to use your factory rear peg. Okay, you will be getting rid of that rear peg. So just keep that in mind. There's a really common modification on these bikes, though, is to get rid of those rear pegs. So you have Zh2. These are the different techs that you have. Zh2, Kawasaki, Zh2 SE, supercharged. You can see how it's raised. A really clean look. Plastic, lightweight. Doesn't add a bunch of weight to the bike. You have boosted. And of course, you have our BLR tuning, if you want to rock our brand. And then you have blank ones as well. So these are just a blank block off plate. Okay. Makes the bike look a lot cleaner. Uses the factory bolts and the factory washer on the back. So normally on the back of your pegs here, you have a washer back here, factory bolt there. So that's how it would install. And then we have hot pink, fluorescent green, gray, black, red. So you'll pick your color choice and they would both be the same. And then you'll pick your text and you'll see that there's a couple different options to pick, like boosted and supercharged. One of these will fit on either side. They are universal like that. So if you had one that said boosted and one that said supercharged, you can put one on each side, whichever way you choose. This can go on the right or the left. Okay, so you'll see a couple options for different combinations of text. And that would be one plate saying one thing, one plate saying another thing. Or if you pick the Zh2 text, they're both going to say Zh2. You see how clean that looks. Okay, we know the market is flooded with different styles of block off plates, but we wanted to add something that has some text and something that is lightweight material. So this gives you a lot of different customization options for your Zh2. You know, if you're trying to go with a hot pink theme on it, we have hot pink. So really cool little setup here. Like I said, you'll see this on our website. It's BLRTUNING.TECH. We'll hop over here to the install real quick. Very straightforward. Takes about maybe 5-10 minutes to install these and get rid of those rear pegs. And then you'll see what we did on our bike. We're just running supercharged on the left side and Zh2 SE on the right side. And we're running them in black. So we're just keeping it nice and clean looking. So really cool looking on this bike, and really cleans it up quite a bit when you get rid of those pegs instead of just having just nubs sitting there with no bolts in them and you got holes in the frame. This really keeps it nice and sharp looking. So let's hop over to our install. You guys can follow along, and you can go order these today. BLRTUNING.TECH. They are on sale on launch. So go check them out. So when you're installing your ZH2 rear peg delete plates, you are going to use the factory hardware. So you'll be using the factory bolts and the factory washers that were underneath the foot peg. Okay, so you can see how the foot peg, we got that removed. These are 6mm Allen. So this will go like so. Washer, delete plate, factory bolt. Okay, it does allow just for a little bit of movement so you can get it perfectly straight in the orientation that you want. Just a little bit, like a millimeter or two. But use some blue Loctite. There's already Loctite on these from the factory. Obviously that's to hold these foot pegs in, but we wouldn't want a bolt bouncing out of there and vibration and whatnot. So use a little bit of blue Loctite. Pretty straightforward stuff. Okay guys, so you can see here how it looks. I don't have it mounted down, I just want to show you the orientation that it goes in. Okay, and remember these are universal, so you can put one on one side, one on the other, and it doesn't matter. They'll fit either way. So this could technically go on the left side of the bike if you wanted it to. So we will tighten these down with a 6mm Allen. I'll come right back. Remember our washer goes back behind there. Come back here in a second. We got it all the way tightened down. Now remember, when you tighten these down, tighten them down until they stop. This should not move around. Okay, it is snug. You got the head of the bolt is pinching the plastic just so slightly. Okay, they were the perfect thickness. We did a lot of measurements and a lot of testing different options, but we wanted something nice and beefy on there like that. So it came out really cool. Doesn't interfere with any of your plastics. You can see there how that came out. Really awesome little design there. ZH2 SE. Nice and big and really stands out on there. So there is 7 different designs as of right now on the release. 7 different designs. If you guys have something else in mind, hit us up, let us know. We're always open to suggestions, but we have the Kawasaki boosted, supercharged, a blank one with nothing on it, so you could put a sticker there if you wanted to. BLR tuning, ZH2 SE, and then ZH2. And then if we come over here to the other side, you can see we did the black supercharged. So this is on your kickstand side, opposite of the exhaust. You can see how that turned out. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Remember, you can go check us out, BLRTUNING.TECH. You can install the same on both sides, 2 6mm Allens. You'll find a ZH2 section on our website. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.